Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my fall look number 3. I'm super excited to be consistent with this and kind of do like a challenge. It was more of a challenge to myself to just record and edit and try to get more videos out there. I'm working on being more consistent. It is kind of hard, but I did it. We made it. So today I'm going to do another eyeshadow look. It's going to be on the natural side for fall. So keep watching and you'll see how this goes. So the first palette I'm going to dive into is my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk. I'm going to use this shade. Oh, I like that one. I just changed my mind. I'm going to use this shade first, which is Amber. I have my Anastasia eyeshadow brush. My Anastasia eyeshadow brush I'm going to use. It's double-sided. It comes in almost all the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes that I have. It comes in, and I don't know, I just like to use it. I have other brushes, but yeah. So I'm going to use this side of the brush first to just pat that color on. My eyes are already set with concealer. I used my Anastasia creamy concealer shade 6.5. It bugs me because the last video I made I said 3.5. I don't know how. But yes, it's 6.5 and it's just their creamy concealer. I've used it for a while. I switch up my concealers all the time, but lately I've been using that one under my eyes at least. So I'm just gonna get like a good amount of product on the brush. Sometimes I do it on both sides. So as you can see, there's a good amount of eyeshadow on there. It's obviously not blended out yet. I'm going to go in and just blend that out. Okay, so that color is blended out and I'm going to go in with my next color, which is going to be on the same palette. And I'm going to use this one. I don't know how to say it. It's O-U-D. Oud? I don't know. Okay, so super quick, super easy. These are blended out. That's blended out. Those colors are blended out. I'm happy. Now, I do want to add a slightly darker eyeshadow in there. Okay, I'm all over the place, but I did try the color just to see how I was gonna like it. It's fine to me. So I'm going in with my Too Faced Natural Eye Palette, and the shade is Sexpresso. Ooh, right here. It's a darker brown, just to give me that darker element. The other colors that I used are kind of brown. Well, were pretty much brown as well. I feel like, you know, when I do natural looks, I like to go with brown, undertone colors, soft colors. Now that I do my makeup so much more, and I'm learning so many things just from doing it and trying different things and different palettes and just everything that I get my hands on. One thing that I noticed is, you know, we always talk about blending. Like, blending is key. Blend. You need to blend, 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 blend till your hands bleed. Blend. But now that I feel like I've mastered blending for the most part, I realized that I think sometimes I blend too much. Like sometimes I blend my eyeshadow so much that you can kind of see it, but you can't really see it. It's super faint. And I just feel like, you know, sometimes it's okay to kind of put that on there and blend slightly, depending on what type of look you're going for, and how you're doing it. With the shade, the Sexpresso that I just put on, I blended it for maybe like 3 minutes, 5 minutes the most. Just because of how I want that look to turn out. I mean, it's not a super soft look. I'm kind of building the colors up. That's the third color already, so yeah, we just want to make sure you can see all of them. They're slightly blended out, not blended out too much, not faint, not invisible, just enough. So moving forward with that, I did my eyes set on a color in a different palette that I like and that I want to give a try. I feel like it does go with fall, borderline fall and spring, but for the most part this is going to be a fall look. Well, it is a fall look to me. Just this color is a little bit lighter, so we're going to see how it turns out. We're going to see you know, how it looks placed on the colors I have already. So I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place palette. This is the Festival by Juvia's Place. I just got this palette a few months ago. I haven't used it too much, but my eyes set on this color, which I cannot pronounce either. Manwu? I don't know. So yeah, I'm going to use that color. I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease and put that color down, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, to cut my crease today, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild concealer brush. I got this from like the dollar store because I've always saw them there, and I felt like, why not just give it a try and see how they work. When I first started out doing my cut creases, I used to use a smaller tip brush, but now I feel a little more comfortable and I'm able to do it a little bit easier, so I use this now. And then I like to cut my crease with a light concealer, one that I don't necessarily use on my face. This is my Pro Conceal by LA Girl, and it's the shade Warm Honey. So I get a good amount on my brush, and then we're just going to go ahead and start cleaning up, cutting this crease. Okay, cool. Crease is cut, cleaned up, fine by me. Now I'm going to put that color down. I do have this brush. It's an Eco brush from Walmart, Eco Tools. And so I'm going to use that to put down this color off of my Festival palette. And we'll see how it goes. Okay, so the eyeshadow is laid down. And next I'm going to clean up, do my lashes, do my liner, and I'll be back to finish up with you guys, so don't go anywhere. Hey guys, so I'm back. Everything is all done. My lashes are on, my eyeliner is done, my lippy is done. I have a MAC matte lippy. This is taupe. I don't know. I always pronounce like every letter in words, and people always tell me that I'm wrong. I think it's taupe, but I used to call it taupe. That's kind of funny now that I think about it. So yeah, so my face is done. It was super easy, super quick. This video is not going to be too long. I'm getting right to the point. You'll see how I do it. You'll see what colors I use. You'll see what brushes I use, and hopefully it helps you because that's what I'm here for. So I'm all done. Most of my fall looks, I can say, resemble each other, but they do have slightly different changes to them, and I am actually using different palettes. It's just that to me the colors seem kind of close. However, I love the way that this look came out. Super simple. My lippy matches it. I have no complaints. I know I'm gonna love this video, so once I'm done, it'll get edited, posted, and hopefully you guys love it as well. So, all done. Everything's done. I'm done. Video's done. We're done today. Third video. I'm super happy, super excited. And I'm going to continue to brainstorm, and hopefully we make it to day number 4. So stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. You know how that thing goes. And I'm off this.